Imagine this, it's late at night. Your living room is dimly lit. The glow of your TV paints soft reflections on the walls. And there, sitting quietly beneath the screen, your Apple TV 4K, that little black box that's been faithfully streaming your favorite shows, is about to change everything you know about entertainment. Because right now, deep inside Apple's secret labs, something extraordinary is taking shape. Rumors are swirling louder than ever. Apple is preparing to unleash the next-generation Apple TV 4K 2025, a device so powerful it might blur the line between a streaming box, a gaming console, and the ultimate smart home hub. The biggest Apple TV upgrade in years. The last Apple TV 4K launched back in 2022, and while it was fast, Apple hasn't refreshed it for years. But now, whispers from inside Cupertino say something massive is coming. Reports of low Apple Store inventory, code leaks mentioning next-gen chips, and insider talk of AI integration all point in one direction. A major Apple TV 4K upgrade before the end of 2025. And this isn't just a spec bump. Analysts say it could be the biggest leap the Apple TV lineup has. Seen in over a decade, the new model is rumored to feature Apple's blazing fast A17 Pro chip, the same processor that powers the iPhone 15 Pro, built on Apple's cutting-edge 3nm process. That means a massive boost in power efficiency, GPU performance, and graphical realism, enough to transform your TV into a gaming powerhouse. Apple TV 4K as a console replacement. Just imagine your streaming box running the same graphics engine used for console-level games, complete with hardware ray tracing and AI-powered rendering. This isn't about faster menus anymore. It's about bringing high-end gaming to your living room without the bulky hardware. Picture this. You open Apple Arcade and within seconds, you're playing a cinematic AA-level game in 4K HDR with buttery smooth frame rates, all with zero lag, no console, no fan noise. Just a sleek black box smaller than your palm that delivers an experience rivaling PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X. Apple isn't just redefining streaming, it's redefining how entertainment feels. Connectivity. That redefines speed, let's talk. Connectivity, because leaks suggest Apple isn't holding back this time. The new Apple TV 4K 2025 is expected to support Wi-Fi 6E or even Wi-Fi 7, offering lightning-fast internet speeds, ultra-low latency, and rock-solid stability. Perfect for 8K streaming, cloud gaming, and real-time AI services. Add in Bluetooth 5.3 and expanded Thread Matter support, and suddenly, this isn't just a streaming box anymore. It's the central brain of your smart home. From controlling your lights, thermostat, and cameras to managing your entire Apple Home ecosystem, the new Apple TV could easily become the smartest hub you've ever owned. Apple Intelligence takes. Over here's where things get really exciting. Apple. Intelligence is coming to Apple TV.ai is now at the core of Apple's strategy, and soon, your Apple TV could become your personal entertainment assistant, one that learns your habits, understands your preferences, and tailors your entire experience automatically. Imagine walking into your living room, and the Apple TV greets you with the perfect playlist, adjusts the lighting, and recommends the exact show you're in the mood for, without you saying a word. Apple's new AI could seamlessly integrate across your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV, creating an intelligent, living ecosystem that feels almost human. And the latest tvOS 26 update is the biggest clue yet, introducing a sleek liquid glass interface, smooth animations, karaoke features for Apple Music, and refined Siri voice control, all designed for more powerful, AI-ready hardware. It's as if tvOS 26 is quietly paving the way for the Apple TV 4K of the future. Design evolution and new accessories. When it comes to design, Apple will likely keep its signature minimalist aesthetic, but with smart refinements. We could see a slimmer body, better heat management, and perhaps even new color finishes. Some leaks also hint at a redesigned Siri remote featuring a mini touchscreen, or haptic feedback system, adding a futuristic twist to the Apple TV experience. But the most jaw-dropping rumor? A built-in FaceTime camera. Yes, imagine calling your family or joining a group FaceTime in 4K resolution right from your couch using the biggest screen in your house. No phone, no laptop, just pure cinematic communication. The price that could change everything. Here's where Apple might shock the industry. Renowned analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggests that Apple is considering launching a sub-$100 Apple TV 4K model to dominate the streaming market. That's right, Apple's most powerful streaming device ever could soon start under $90 if true. This would undercut Roku, Fire TV, and Google Chromecast, while offering unmatched performance, software polish, and deep ecosystem integration. At that price point, it wouldn't just compete, it would obliterate the competition. The living room of the future Apple's vision goes far beyond just TV. The company has been quietly merging its HomeKit, Apple TV Plus, and Apple Home platforms, unifying all your smart devices, entertainment, and AI into a single connected experience. Your Apple TV will no longer just stream movies. It will become the central hub of your digital life. With rumors of a refreshed HomePod lineup, improved spatial audio synchronization, and multi-device control, Apple is clearly building the foundation for the smart living room of the future. Apple's next big move, sports, streaming, and strategy in 2026. Apple becomes the exclusive home of Formula One in the US, which means Apple TV could be optimized for high frame rate sports, real-time analytics, and ultra-low latency streaming. This isn't coincidence, it's strategy. Apple is positioning the new Apple TV 4K as the ultimate entertainment device, blending AI, sports, gaming, music, and home automation into one cohesive experience. When you connect the dots, the A17 Pro chip leaks, the tvOS 26 redesign, the rebranding of Apple services, and the vanishing inventory, it all points to one thing. The Apple TV 4K 2025 is coming soon, and it could mark a new era for Apple's ecosystem, just like the Apple Watch moment or the Apple Silicon revolution. Should you buy or wait? If you're looking for a streaming box right now, the 2022 Apple TV 4K is still an excellent choice, fast, stable, and future-proof for most users. But if you can wait just a few more months, the upcoming model promises far more: AI integration, gaming capabilities, ultra-fast connectivity, and next-level smart home control. You won't just be buying a streaming device, you'll be buying into the future. The future of home entertainment. Picture this. You walk into your living room and say, "Hey Siri, movie night!" The lights dim automatically. The sound adjusts. Your Apple TV queues up your favorite film and even suggests snacks through your smart fridge app. You switch seamlessly from Netflix to Apple Arcade or jump into a FaceTime call on the big screen, all without touching a remote. That's not science fiction. That's Apple's next step. Apple is about to fuse entertainment, gaming, AI, and smart living into a single elegant device. And when the Apple TV 4K 2025 finally launches, it won't just be another product, it'll be the smartest screen ever built. The countdown has already begun, and when the clock hits 0, your living room will never be the same again.